Want to start trading stocks, but don't know where to begin? Stock trading is simply buying and selling shares of publicly listed companies. Prices move every second based on supply and demand. There are 4 main trading styles. Day trading for fast, same-day trades. Swing trading for capturing trends over several days or weeks. Position trading for long-term opportunities. And index investing for broad market exposure through ETFs. Before placing your first trade, learn 2 key analysis methods. Technical analysis uses charts, trends, and indicators to find entry and exit points. Fundamental analysis evaluates a company's financial performance and long-term potential. Many successful traders combine both. AI trading tools and bots can help automate strategies, but they can't replace knowledge and risk management. Whether you're trading stocks or stock futures, choosing a strategy that matches your goals is the key to long-term success. Start your trading journey with SuperEx and trade smarter.